Good day guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a new viewer, remember to like, subscribe and share to friends and family. Today we are unveiling the daily cipher for today, and the Morse code to unveil is SATOSHI. Guys, SATOSHI. So how do we go about it? Okay, the first thing we do is to tap 3 times on N per tap, 1, 2, 3, and our interface for the Morse code will be displayed, right? And for S is 3 dots, for A is 1 dot and a long press, for T is a long press, and for O 3 long press, for S 3 tap, for H 4 tap, and for I 2 tap. So let's do that. We are wasting our time. So dot dash, again dot dash dash dot dash dash dot dash 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 H. Okay, T. Okay, that no, wrong. Again, dot 1 dot dash, then dash 2 3 for O, then dot for S, dot for H, dot for I, dot for H, dot for I. Good. And our code is cracked, and that shows we are a real detective. Guys, nice job. That's a nice job rather. So guys, remember to subscribe, share to friends and family, and comment guys. See you in the next video. And also, the test will be dropped on the description box, so do check it for you to do your tasks. Thank you very much. And guys, I've been able to claim my coin. Can you see guys? So I just have to watch the video for a longer time, then I'll go back to claim. So that's just it. No trick actually. So thank you for watching.